guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you've never seen me before, my name is Pam and welcome on my channel. If you like what you're seeing, make sure you subscribe down below. You know what I mean? Alright you guys, so in this video I'm gonna be sharing with you guys a hair tutorial. As you can see, I have my natural hair on. It's gonna be out throughout summer because I just want to enjoy feeling my hair, my natural hair. Okay you guys, complimentary by Parton Beauty. I received some of their hair products to try on my natural hair. Makes me so excited because I have never ever tried this brand before, so I'm just happy to try it and share with you guys my thoughts. And these are their conditioners that I received. I got the medium conditioner for curlies, heavy conditioner for coilies. I feel like I'm gonna be here because my hair is kind of coily. So, and then you have intensive conditioner for tight textures. I feel like I'm gonna be over here or over here. Okay you guys, so on top of the conditioners I also got their minis. I love this color, like beautiful colors. So I'm just gonna show you guys. This one is their curl gel shine, define and hold. That's how it looks over there. And I got the mini hydrating mist. That's how it looks. And I got their styling cream. That's how it looks. I'm gonna show you guys the inside. I'm just showing you guys the packaging. And I also got their Stronghold Gel. That's how it looks. Okay, so I washed off my hair, and as you can see, it has like moisture, like it has water moisture. Like you can see that it has water. So I'm just gonna dry it further. I'm gonna use the hydrating mist just to keep my moisture in. And I would suggest to like do this while you don't have makeup on, because it always gets messy. There we go. And then I'm gonna apply the styling cream. That's how it looks like. It smells good. So I'm just gonna work through the hair. And making sure it's getting in there. I'm gonna use the styling gel. Like I usually put a lot of, like when I'm using styling gel, I usually put a lot. So I'm just gonna work it through the hair again. Do y'all see my curls? Do y'all see my curl? It feels so soft. I think the styling gel and the styling cream work well together. Like, honey, I don't know. It feels good. Okay, so while I'm waiting for everything to dry up, I'm gonna use the Stronghold Gel. Just to do my edges. That's how it looks like. It's very clear. I think they are sticking to the same scent. So I'm just gonna pull down my baby hairs. Like this is not even necessary, you know what I mean? If you want, you can go ahead and leave this part out, but you know, sometimes you want to just add a little extra. Guys, so this is so far how my hair is looking. It's not fully dry. It's kind of like 50-50 because like I was just waiting for it to just like air dry. So this is how the coils are looking, like the curls are looking, not fully dry like I said. And I'm just gonna try to show you guys like if it's fully dry, like when it's fully dry. Like right now it's getting late, so I just have to take off the makeup. I can't wait anymore. Alright you guys, that is it for this video. Let me know what you think about the curls. Like they are there, like they are there, like if you see closer they are there, you know what I mean? So let me know what you think. I also feel like the product would have looked so much better and you would have actually seen what the product is looking if my hair was longer. But since we cut it, so we're just gonna work with what we have over here. But if you have longer hair and try this product, let me know how it turns out, because I want to see how the curls are gonna look like on longer hair. But so far the products are amazing, moisturize my hair, and this is like my honest opinion. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.